Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Our topic for today is all about AC motor and generator. What is AC motor? AC motor is an electric motor that converts electrical energy in the form of alternating current into mechanical energy rotational motion. It means it's a machine that takes electricity alternating current and turn it into movement or rotation. What is AC generator? AC generator, also known as an alternator, is a device that converts mechanical energy, rotational motion, into electrical energy in the form of alternating current. It is also called an alternator. It is a machine that makes movement or mechanical energy and turns into electricity alternating current. And today I will discuss to you the types and operation of AC motors. AC motors are broadly categorized into two types based on their operating principles. Number 1, induction motors or asynchronous motors. There are two types: A, squirrel cage induction motor, and B, wound rotor induction motor. Number 2, synchronous motors. A, permanent magnet synchronous motor, and B, electrically excited synchronous motor. Number 1, induction motors, asynchronous motors. These are the most widely used AC motors. They are called asynchronous because the rotor always rotates at a speed slightly less than the rotating magnetic field produced by the stator. This speed difference, known as lift, is necessary to induce current in the rotor and create torque. So, it's clear the definition of induction motors that they are called asynchronous because the inner rotating part rotor moves a little slower than the magnetic field created by the outer fixed part stator. This small difference in speed is needed to make electricity flow inside the rotor and create the force that turns the motor. Letter A. Squirrel cage induction motor is the most common type of AC motor, named after its rotor made of short-circuit conductive bars. It operates by including current in the rotor through a rotating magnetic field, creating torque to spin the motor. It is simple, durable, low cost, and requires very little maintenance. This is the most usual kind of AC motor. It is named after its rotor, which has metal bars connected at both ends like a cage. It works when a moving magnetic field creates electricity in the rotor, making it spin. It is simple, strong, cheap, and almost does not need repairs or cares. Letter B. Wound rotor induction motor is an AC motor with a rotor made of insulated wire windings connected to slip rings. It allows external resistance to be added for better starting torque and speed control, though it requires more maintenance than the squirrel cage type. This type has a rotor made of wire coils connected to metal rings. You can connect extra parts to control how fast it starts and how much force it has. However, it needs more care and maintenance than the squirrel cage type. Number 2. Synchronous motor. These motors rotate at a constant speed that is exactly synchronized with the frequency of the AC supply. Their speed remains constant regardless of the loads as long as the supply frequency does not change. Unlike induction motors, they do not rely on slip to produce torque. So these motors always turn at the same steady speeds, which matches the speed of the electricity supply. No matter how heavy the load is, the speed stays the same as long as the electricity frequency does not change. Unlike induction motors, they do not need a speed difference to work. A. Permanent magnet synchronous motor is an AC motor where the rotor uses permanent magnets to create a steady magnetic field. It runs at the exact same speed as the rotating magnetic field from the stator, offering high efficiency and precise speed. So, it turns exactly at the same speed as the magnetic field from the outer part. It works very efficiently and can keep a very precise speed. Letter B. Electrically excited synchronous motor is an AC motor whose rotor uses windings supplied with direct current to create its magnetic field. It rotates at the exact same speed as the stator's rotating magnetic field and allows control of power factor by adjusting the DC excitation. These motors use wire coils to get the power from direct current to make its own magnetic field. It turns exactly as fast as the magnetic field from the outer part. By changing the power sent to the rotor coils, you can adjust how well the motor uses electricity. And that's all for today. Thank you everyone, and thank you sir.